Left me high and dry over you. Didn't tell me why. Was it all a lie for you? All those late night drives, looking at the sky. Thought that you were different, but you lied. Looking in your eyes, kissing me goodnight. I need to know, why'd you have to ghost? You left me in the cold. Why'd you have to ghost on me? Why'd you have to ghost? No more blowing on my phone. Why'd you have to ghost on me? Did I say something? Or am I just you in my head? Over you. Over you.
Stop. I'm gonna cry.
I can hear you.
Okay, now I hear you. Okay, what's going on? Do you enjoy the live?
Yes.
You for sure you enjoy the live?
Yes, do you?
Look, it's been a long time we never connected together, and today we are here together. And I want to say to you that you are a very wonderful person, and I'm glad to meet you. Okay?
I'm happy. Me too.
Okay, nice to meet you. What do you bring for me today?
What do I bring for you today? Well, I could do a little bit of singing. We could talk. We could do a battle. We could do anything.
All right, my love. Listen, I miss you. I miss you.
It's been a long time. It's been a couple months at least.
It's been a long time. Can I just see you today? Can I remember your voice?
Yes.
Can I see all of you?
All of me.
Please.
What does that even mean?
Please. I just want to see you because I miss you.
Okay, I'm right here.
I want to see all of you, just like me.
What is that?
I'm sorry.
I'm right here. I don't know how much more I could show you. Is that the they want me to sing?
Ils font musique avec Justin Bieber déjà. I want to remind the people that you sing with Justin Bieber. I want to tell them that. Guys, ils font musique avec Justin Bieber.
Oh. You want to sing like Justin Bieber?
Yeah, I want to remind them that you're from Canada, right?
Yes, from Canada.
Ils sont Canada, ils font musique avec Justin Bieber. Et ils remet un peu même pas remet parce que pas oublier c'est fou là m'a fait. M'pas carrément avec mesdames yo guys. Yo connaît riche même pas riche vrai. Ou même on connaît pas riche. Haïtien nous connaît pas riche, OK? Et y en a pas me nous connaît, pas vle yo connaît rien de moins qui vérité. Pas dire rien de moins qui vérité. Quitter vérité dans fait noir. Ah baby, it's been a long time and I'm glad to meet you. Do you want to sing for me tonight?
I could sing, but I can't use it with the music. But I could sing a cappella.
All right, baby, sing for me, my love.
Which song?
Anything you want to sing for me.
Guys, which song? Hold on. Team, give me something.
Pour yo y a chanté pour un millionnaire guys, pour yo passer son monde qui gagne l'argent, oui guys.
Lady.
Can you hear me?
I can.
You sure?
Yes.
Can you listen to me?
I can listen to you. How are you?
Can you listen to me?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Guys, est-ce que nous entendez?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Yes, you're good. Yes.
Est-ce que
you're good.
Oui ou non? Nous entendez pas non? I cannot hear you. What's going on?
Can you hear me?
One second, let me check.
Don't leave me.
Guys, no?
Yes.
Can you hear me, my love?
Yes.
All right, baby. All right. Guys,
how are you?
Ça passe, est-ce que son problème live la game no? Can you disconnect it and connect right back, okay?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.